Guys, welcome to yet another new day, a gloomy one here at Virginia. Yes, I got another video uploading to 12%. Step on my memory cases again. As it turns out, the rain's not done. There's more coming, unfortunately. Anyway, I'll let you guys go for the moment. I'm back at the apartment, guys. As you can see, got everything I need to taken care of except one, and that's putting the remaining money on my ADP card into the bank. Which I will take care of as soon as I can. So you know what the video's doing. 47%. Should be about an hour from now. Hour and 6 minutes when it's done uploading.
That's not bad.
Oh. As for the monster bulbs, I don't know where the remote for them went. So I'm probably gonna have to get new ones. It'll be a bit before I put one last clip on here, or at least two, because I'm going to be watching that again. See you guys next clip. Guys, it's me again, wearing my blue hoodie yet again. My sister playing with her friend. My younger sister. Oh, the youngest sister. I have 3 younger sisters, including that one. That sister. That's Tori.
What was that?
Not about to report people without their permission. I hate walking back here after a rainstorm or after any kind of storm because it gets wet back here and muddy. Someone left their toy back here. Looks like the piece of a Nerf gun. Look at this. It's bad. The amount of mud back here. Oh, and there's still some ice. Wasn't expecting that. To find that there's still ice back here. It's still cold, by the way. I don't know who's responsible for that. Whoever is better pay for it at some point. There's that church again. Oh, fuck! Sorry, guys. I almost slipped right there. That ramp is slippery. I was not expecting that. Oh, that really got me. And when I get startled like that, guys, I do tend to swear and just curse.
Dum-dum, what you doing?
Really, Patrick?
Yes, with my gum. Yeah, with my gum, dum.
Ah, you little...
Gotcha, man.
You're gonna pull that redneck crap, huh? Oh, you almost slipped?
No, I stepped on my foot. I had to catch him, make sure he didn't fall. No, but I still hurt my knuckle.
Bail, I'm guessing?
Yep.
Okay, my new flashlight came a lot sooner than I was expecting. It's similar to the last one I had. I'm looking forward to seeing just how good it is tonight. What the heck? What just fell? Piece of glass. Great. That's actually dangerous. Very dangerous. Another thing I like about it, I can do that. And that clip is detachable. Making it even better. That's another thing. I cannot step in that. Yeah, Carolyn's here. Talk to you guys in a moment. Well, guys, I can tell you this flashlight is the same kind as the one I had before, an Ultrafire T6. I will give you guys a video of just how good it is. I'll give you a video of just how good it is, hopefully early this in the morning. So for now, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. Now I'm gonna be out for a couple hours, so time is currently 4:02. I won't be back home until 4:30, until almost 4 in the morning. Therefore, I will let you guys know. So I will let you guys go for now, for the next 8 to 10 hours, 8 to 12 hours. Hey guys, it's me again. Not sure if I'll be able to show it to you tonight. I'm gonna have to end the video here. So, by the way, it is 3:40. It's about 3:45 in the morning. So, for those of you who enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next video.